Karibu sana mwiroreri thiini wa Kikuyu Star TV na riku ndeto ya gikenori ni ati muheshimiwa Gathee Wanjeri oria o hamwe ni muini ni akirutite ritana kuri andu o hamwe na mashabiki a mwalimu George Wanjaro o hamwe na aini enzake makoro makirutira niguo magikorwo magiteithiriria family ya mundu ugwitwo George Wanjaro ni agitariria na gakiuga ati ni agikirikitie gukorwo agicamanitie na baba na mamu wa George Wanjaro akendekete haria page ni yake ya Facebook agakiuga atiri met the family and mother of the late Benga musician Mwalimu George Wanjaro. Earlier today, I invited them to the office. We have walked a journey with this family for some times now, and having come from Gathee ward as their leader and as a musician too, I think it's time I call your attention. We do this together intensively. The son is also striving to see the light in life in music. Right now, they don't have a place they can call home. They are borrowing shelter from relatives. If we join hands, we can make Mwalimu George Wanjaro rest in peace. I know you love his music. Same way, let's join hands and make the family rise again. Fellow leaders, musicians, friends, fans, it's my humble appeal. Ono mundu ugutwo Gathee Wanjeri muheshimiwa agikiaritana kuri aini o hamwe na mafans a mwalimu wa George Wanjaro na o hamwe na atongoria magitigiriria ati ni magikorwo magiteithiriria family ya mwalimu George Wanjaro kuna ati mamu wao baba wao gwa kahinda gaka ona kundu gwa guikarari ni kuhoya maragikorwo makihoya. Oho ne agithiite na mbere na agitariria ati na wa George Wanjaro no kugiginyana aragikorwo akigiginyana akionekana ni agikorwo akiingira weinini. Oho guririkania ati mundu ugwitwo George Wanjaro ni agikorwo akihuruka na family yake gwa kahinda gaka ni gikoretwo ikiria thina muno kuona ati kuma riria mwalimu George Wanjaro agikorwo akihuruka family ino ndikiri yagikorwo ikiamukira uteithio. No kwa kahinda gaka riu ri Gathee Wanjeri akirita mutongoria wa Gathee ward kuria family ino egikaraga ni akirutire gwikorwo akimateithia niguo atigirire ati family ino ni yagikorwo ikirugama ringi. Ngina kahinda kangire tugakihoka ati family ino ni gwikorwo ikiona uteithio. Ngina kahinda kangire guko ni kwa Kikuyu Star TV.